Welcome to 365 Math. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert a percent to a decimal. Remember, a percent means per 100 or over 100. That means that we will be dividing the percent by 100. Example number 1, we have 120%, which we can rewrite as 120 over 100. When we are dividing, we move a decimal place to the left-hand side by the number of digits that we are moving, that is by 2 in this case, because we have 2 zeros. So we are going to pretend and say we had a decimal place right here, as we can rewrite this as 120.0. So we are going to move the decimal point 2 times to the left-hand side. So that is 1, 2. And this is where we will be having our decimal place, meaning that our answer would be 1.2. Number 2, we have 7%, which we can rewrite as 7.0%. Now we are going to move our decimal place 2 times, because remember we are dividing by 100 and 100 has 2 zeros, hence we're going to move 2 times to the left hand side, that is 1, 2, and our decimal place is right here. If there is no leading number, we place a 0, meaning that our final answer as a decimal would be 0.07. Number 3, we have 36%, which is 36.0%. Moving our decimal place twice to the left hand side, we have 1, 2, and this is where our decimal place would be, meaning that our final answer would be 0.36. Number 4, we have 13.4%. Already we have a decimal, hence there is no need for us to place a 0. We are simply going to move 2 places towards the left hand side, and that is 1, 2. And we have our decimal point right there, meaning that our final answer is equal to 0.134. Lastly, number 5, we have 50%, which can be rewritten as 50.0%. And moving our decimal point twice towards the left, we have 1, 2, and this is where we will be having our decimal point, giving us our final answer as 0.50, or you can just leave it as 0.5, which is still the same. So that is how you convert a percentage to a decimal. Remember, when we are converting a decimal to a percent, we multiply, but now we are converting a percent to a decimal. That means we are doing the opposite, hence why we were dividing. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.